Hello friends, welcome. Now we will discuss how we can do file operations in Golang. Friends, file operation is a very important part of any application. So it doesn't matter which web framework you are using, either you are using Gin or Bigo, any case it's gonna very helpful for you. So from today's video, I will be starting a video series on file handling. So first of all, I will discuss how we can do write operation. So here I have created a file main.go. In this, first of all, we will import a package uh, OS. So basically, we will use OS package to create file. But before that, let us declare the package main. Then we will import basically two package we will import. The first one to log the data and the second one OS. This OS will be used to create a file. So now let us define the main function. For that, simply write fmain and press enter. It's gonna create a very basic structure of main function. Then file comma error OS dot. In this OS there is a method create, and in this create you have to mention the name of the file that you want to create. So let us create a file test.txt. Now here we have to handle the error first of all. So if error is not equal to nil, in that case log dot tell um, some error. Then let us something like error dot error. Then we have to close the file also. So let us use defer here and file dot close method, and then we will write into this file. So if you run this application at this time, so go run main.go. So when you run this application, you can see that the test.txt file has been created, but nothing has been written here. But suppose if you want to write something in this file, so for that you have to use file dot write string method, and again it's gonna return something. So let us name it as er, and here you have to pass the text that you want to write. So let us write hello file and link, and then you have to handle the error again. So if error is not equal to nil, so in that case log dot title, oops, some error, and again you have to write the things like er dot error, and so that's it. Now let us try again. Go run main.go. When you run this, you can see that hello file handling. So basically this text has been written here in this tst.txt file. So suppose if we want to add some more text in this test.txt file, so how we can do that? let us try in this method itself. So let us write something like hello file handling and so let us change it to in Golang, right? So if you want to just append something like uh, in Golang should be printed here just after this. So how we can do that? Let us again run this application. So when you run this, you can see that the previous test has been overwritten with this new text that we are passing here in Golang. So it has not been appended, it is just overwritten to the previous text. So how we can append the previous text? So for that, we have to use another function that is open file. We don't need to use this create file. So in that case, we will be using file comma error os dot open file, and again in this you have to pass tst dot txt, and here in the basically it is going to accept three parameters. One is the name of the file, second one is the flag int. So basically it here you have to pass some value, and then you have to again pass some value for the file mode. So how we can do that? So suppose if you want to append some text, for that you have to pass something like os dot uh, o underscore append, and since we want to write in the file, so you have to pass a value for that also. So let us write like this: os dot o underscore um, wr only. So like this, and let us again put one more value here, so that if the file does not exist, suppose here it is here in this case this test.txt file is already there, but suppose if this file is not there, so in that case it will create the file also. For that you have to pass another value here. So os dot o underscore create. So that's it. Again we have to pass one more value here, 644. So now the code is ready. Let us run this code again, but before that let us clear this text from this file, and then let us run this code. Go run main dot go. When we hit this, we can see that the text we are passing here has been written in this test.txt file. Suppose if we want to add something in this text itself, we don't want to overwrite it. So in that case, again let us pass something here um, in Golang, and let us put some space, and then and Java, and again let us run this uh, command, and yes, you can see that and Java has been appended to the previous text. So this way the we can write the code to append the text in the file. Now here we have already added one flag to create a file if does not exist. So let us change this file name to some other file name mm, like main, and then let us check uh, uh, and then let us check whether it is creating new file or not. So again let us run this command, and yes, you can see that main.txt file has been created, and the text that we are passing here in Java is also written here. So this way basically we do different operations in the Golang using this OS package. So I think this video will be helpful for you. Thanks.